Good morning and hello, I'm Professor Code and this is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for Friday the 28th of April 2023. Yesterday we had no racing, we had a few to look at out of interest, mixed results, short odds, one came in and so on forth, so nothing missed there really. Today the racing has been started off promising and it's now been thrown into complete chaos by the abandonment of Sandown due to unsafe ground. So basically it's stuffed us today. We had a couple of potential bets lined up and that's the end of that. The Doncaster meeting isn't that clever for our purposes, so yeah, it was Doncaster. So yeah, we had a potential bet in the classic trial which was the 335 and possibly in the 410, which is a novice stakes for fillies, but in the end it's irrelevant because it's void. So that's that. So the account's static at 66.8 units from a peak of 74.5 roughly. We had a 12.5 unit drawdown from the peak, and we're grinding our way back up. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get in the market and raise the account. Anyway, that's that. On the Forex front, you've got a raft of European data, German data as well, which is obviously significant for the euro. And by the time you get to about 1:30, you've got US PCE, personal consumption expenditure tier 2 data, which will be significant, but it will be in relation to what's been happening as this you get this drip feed of European data. So the market will obviously front run the European data as it comes out, and then we'll see. You've got a small window just prior to PCE at 1:30. So if euro data is say very strong, and they ramp up the euro, then you likely see a pullback just prior to US data, or if the euro data is very weak and they sell off the euro data, vice versa. So there's potential for a buffer trade there. Regarding for a front running trade like that, you need to see a significant move in the dollar index. You're looking at you need really 0.5% move in the dollar index to be to get involved. So just to give you an idea. So there you go. That's that. A bit disappointing on the racing, but we'll live to fight another day tomorrow. And the Forex is cooking, as we said. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.